After a long day, I had the opportunity to take in the beauty of nature and took a nice, refreshing walk. And despite it being July, there was a nice, cool summer breeze that was refreshing. And when I felt that breeze, it reminded me of a song that I heard in my youth called Summer Breeze. That song itself is refreshing and reminds me of those times when I experienced that summer breeze during my youth. There's something about nature and its elements that have a way of restoring us. If you don't have a way of connecting with nature on a regular basis, I highly encourage you to do so. There's something about nature and its beauty that can allow us to forget some of the cares we have in life and just be thankful for the many gifts that we have and the abundance that's all around us. For more tips on how to live life more abundantly, check out my book, A Sailor's Advice on Life.